Let's take a quick tour of your icon controls, those four little icons at the bottom of your screen that make all the magic happen. First up is the music icon. Think of it as your personal DJ while you wait. As
Hey
the host, you can click
Jude,
this to start playing your
don't
pre
make
selected
it
tunes. The
bad.
music plays randomly from your
Take a
collection,
sad
automatically moving to the
song
next
and
song
make
when one ends. It's like having a soundtrack for your patience. But here's the cool part: when your guest arrives, the music automatically stops. No more awkward, can you hear me over the music moments. And once your guest is there, the music option takes a well deserved break for the rest of your session. Want to stop the music early? Just click the icon again. Want to restart it? Click once more, and it'll jump to the next random tune in your playlist. Next is your microphone control, the classic mute and unmute toggle. It starts on by default because, well, talking is usually the point of a video call. Click once to mute when you need to sneeze, unmute when you're ready to be heard again. Simple. The camera icon lets you show or hide your video feed. Maybe you're having a bad hair day, or maybe you just want to go audio only for a bit. Toggle it on and off as needed. Your call, your choice. Last but not least, the chat icon. Click it to open up a messaging window where you and your guest can type back and forth. The chat shows who said what, supports clickable links, and sticks around for your entire session. Need to share a website or just want to type LOL at something? This is your spot. When someone sends a message, the other person's chat icon turns orange, like a little digital tap on the shoulder saying, "Hey, check this out." Click the chat icon anytime to open or close the window. The conversation stays there, waiting patiently for you to come back. And that's your control panel: music for the wait, mic and camera for the basics, and chat for everything else. Four simple tools to make your icon experience exactly what you need it to be.